how does a typical day look for you now that you're a mom?
I think everything I do is around my baby. Because we wake up, whether I'm hungry or not, I will feed her first. Make sure she's okay. Then I'll either start looking for something to eat, and depending on the time, I will start pumping. So maybe by the time I'm done to even eat, sometimes I'm eating in the afternoon or mid-afternoon. Everything I do now is basically around her. We are going out. I'm looking for a place that is baby friendly, all those kind of stuff.
This is our life now,
oh my goodness.
Yeah, you know, I think one of the first shock to me was that I have to wear a clothes. I have to, dress up in a way that it will allow me to feed the baby.
Yes.
So everywhere I'm going, I'm thinking about
the best.
Is this button I can button down? No. This motherhood journey.
It's not easy.
It's not for the